Hello, I thought it would be fitting for me to talk about grounding or earthing and negative ions while I'm on holiday, which is exactly what I'm doing at this moment, and I'm already feeling better. So we are surrounded by positive ions, which are the baddies. It's the ones, ions in the air given off by power lines, electrical equipment, phones, all the signals, all of that. It releases all the wrong ions into the air. And we absorb that, and then it can make you feel fatigued, headaches, aches and pains. There's a lot of things, depression. There's a lot of things that it can affect. So when you connect with the earth and nature, you are absorbing negative ions, and you're trying to get the balance right. So when you come to the beach, when you come to the sea, or walking in nature, you just feel revitalized. It's not just a feeling, it's actually your cells are saying thank you for all the negative ions that you're giving yourself. So yes, we are stuck in concrete jungles most of the time, in offices with artificial lighting, shoes on the whole day, we don't get outside, and our bodies are struggling. So you have to make a point of getting onto the earth, taking your shoes off and just standing on the grass or the sand, or just getting in touch with nature. We really forget how our bodies were designed, and we're trying to bypass that, but it's never ever going to work. We need to get back to that. So ground yourself. I see that there's places that sell grounding mats that you can sleep on if you can't get outside, and it earths the energy to, connects the energy to the earth, so it grounds you while you're sleeping. And people have said that it's helped their headaches, aches and pains. They're feeling more revitalized when they wake up, all of that. So it really bogs you down. The Himalayan salt lamp also releases negative ions into the air. So yes, we must put our phones off, which is quite funny because I'm recording this on a phone, but at least I'm surrounded by negative ions. You also, just before a thunderstorm, the thunderstorm just releases a lot of negative ions into the air, so it kind of clears the air. So yes, and allergies are also caused by a lot of the positive ions. So those air purifiers that you get, they also help to purify the air. Plants inside also help to release the negative ions into the air. So get outside, get to nature, make sure you make a point of going outside and get connected to the earth, or coming on holiday. This has been a health kick, just like that. Okay, hope this helps. Bye.